All right, we're out here in the devil's. What's going on, everyone? Back with another episode of Stuff and Things. I'm not typically one to do this, but my birthday celebrations have extended to like 3 days now. Can we agree that this is going to be the last day that we celebrate my birthday? I love it. I love everyone who's out here and celebrating with me, but I'm dying. Slowly dying. I didn't even make a video of what we did yesterday and last night, but it was super dope. So if you're not following me on Instagram, that's where I post everything that doesn't make the vlog, so you guys gotta check that out. Today, though, is the day that I'm getting the surprise from Ashley. It's gonna be super dope. I'm not exactly sure what all is going to come along with the surprise, but you guys will see it right now. You ain't wrong about that. All right, we're out here in the devil's. We are out here in the bottom of the Grand Canyon in Arizona now. We're gonna have lunch here, and then we're gonna go back, I guess. All of these rocks out here are from volcanic activity, so when they bump into each other, it sounds like glass. What'd you say?
I'll give you some volcanic activity.
Bet. Don't fall in.
Please fall in, please fall in, please fall in.
Saved your life.
Alright guys, back at home, and I'm exhausted. This birthday has been probably one of the best birthdays ever. I know this video is short, but it's time to finally rest. If you wish me a happy birthday, thank you. I can't reply to everyone's comment, but I do read them all, so I appreciate everyone who's watching these videos. Hopefully you enjoy them because there are definitely more coming. I still do not have a flight home. This was a one-way trip, obviously, so I should probably book that flight soon. I guess that's gonna be it.
Yeah.
If you're new to the channel, consider clicking subscribe because I make new videos every week, and that's gonna be all for today. So as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.